Hello, it's Mandy. I'm here in Foodie Education land. What is this and why? Well, I've worked with food for a very long time, over 20 something years. I was very old. I've had the opportunity to work in all different environments. About 12 years ago, I founded Little People Nutrition, where we offered incursions in preschools and early learning centres. And about 4 years ago, I had the opportunity to come onto country in my area and create a kitchen garden food education program, and founded a not-for-profit children's garden called the Golden Grove. And I've learnt so much. I've grown professionally and personally through all of this time, and day in, day out have provided food education for families, children, educators, and the community surrounding those children. And it's been incredible. And what I've seen is, if we can truly nurture that love of food and the earth in children and their village, we can support these children to grow healthy within their bodies and in with their hearts, and to learn about food, learn about the earth, and to support themselves and their greater community. And it really is profound to be able to observe that. And I want that to touch more people, hence this online space. Effectively, everything that I've learned in the last 20 odd years with food, and even more so in the last 12, and even more succinctly in the last sort of probably 4 or 6 years, is really that journey in the hands and the hearts for children. So using story, using song, using cooking, using the exploring through the arts and crafts and sciences, experimenting and exposing children to such a wide, beautiful earth that we live in. It works. I'm a real believer of research. It's something that I pride myself on, but observation and experience and reflection is just as much scientific as it is having a research paper. And I've seen here time and time again what's working, and I want it to work for you. Be it in your home, be it with the children in your care at your preschool, early learning centre, or primary school. I want you to be able to do what we do here in the garden, what I've done with children all around New South Wales, and hence Foodie Education. So we're going to be sharing all of that here, and I can't wait for you to come along on the ride. I do truly believe that if we can nurture that love of food and the earth with our children, that it will not only support themselves, but the community and their environment around them as they grow. I'll see you soon. Peace out.